Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis X tutorial how to use alpha lock. The alpha lock is used to lock layer transparency and letting you color set only the exiting pixel on the layer without going outside of the lines. For example, I will draw with brush in it. You can change into black color. And then go to layer. Select the layer and then click this icon to activate the alpha lock. After it, you can draw like in red color and it will be create the objects inside the black color. So it will be not going outside of the line like this. I will create again with this blue color. You can draw in it. And that's it for a basic Ibis X tutorial, how to use alpha lock. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.